One more breath in. Exhale out. Straighten the legs, relax your arms. Second round for this sequence. Hug the left knee into your chest. Pause here. Find a place to focus your gaze. Inhale. Hands come to prayer. Exhale, lean the chest forward as you extend the leg back for warrior three. Hands could always come down for support. Pause for a breath in. Exhale, carefully lower the back foot down, arms up. Inhale, high lunge. And exhale, pressing through the back foot, arms reaching up. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward, rest your belly on your thigh. Arms reach forward, gaze down. Pausing here, inhale. Exhale, hands come down to the mat. Push the floor away. Lift your knee into your nose. It's okay if you use the foot on the floor for support. Pause and hold for an inhale. Exhale, extend the leg back, step to plank. Exhale, good. Inhale here. Exhale, chaturanga. You could always